what we're seeing behind me, this is a swimming pool that we constructed, me and my company. So we do a very massive swimming pool construction. It's a very nice and beautiful pool for this hotel. So you can see the pool is 90% complete, and what's left is all these other outside finishes. So I'm going to take you around the pool so you get to see how it looks like. It's a massive pool. The size of this pool is this not a small normal size residential pool. This is a big size pool. Okay, the size of this pool is 5.2 meters by 11 meters. It's a long pool, a very long pool. Okay, and if you go over there, you look, it has a children's section. Okay, it has a children's section. It has 2 waterfalls, very beautiful and amazing. It's daytime now, so we can't put on the light. It has a lot of lights inside. When at night you can put them on and you see the beauty of it all. Okay, let's go to that children's section so you can have a clearer look. Let's go around it a bit, and yeah. So you can see 2 4-foot waterfalls there. That really makes it beautiful. Waterfalls are very important and very beautiful, very aesthetic for a pool. Okay, we always encourage that. That top area there, you can put your drinks, you can make your relaxation. It's a very nice place, very beautiful and very aesthetic in the eyes. Okay, then so that's the children's section. This is the children's side. So for those that cannot swim very well or children, they can come over here and swim. Okay, so it has the inlets. It has the jets coming in. You might not notice it now because the water is full, but if you look around, you see, notice that some bubbles here. I don't know if you can see the bubbles over there. So that bubble is showing that the water is coming in from here. Okay, so whoever is here, you feel that bubble and that swap. Then if you come a bit, you can step up here. If you step up on here, you will see the name of the hotel is written on it. You might not notice it. I'll show you the picture. Okay, I'll send you a full picture when we actually. You can see there's like something written inside, right? That's the name of the hotel, written with tiles. It's not going to break off. It's not going to wash off. It's not going to remove. It is permanently written there beautifully. Okay, so that's it. So this is a very nice and beautiful pool. So we've not done the final test. That's why the water is a bit cloudy. You know, the hotel is not yet in operation, so they are just still doing final tests. So, but whenever they're in operation, we'll be here to always do it out. So we do massive, very good swimming pools, and we make it very nice and amazing. You see, it has 3 ladders, 1, 2, and then the third one there. That's the deep end. Okay. That's the deep end of the pool. That side, that side is the deep side. Okay, where is the beginning? So the beginning is around the entrance. This is the shallow side. This is the shallow side, and then that's the deep side. Okay. Remember, we don't advise you make a pool. Say, I want my pool to be very deep. 6 feet, 7 feet. No. For safety reasons, for commercial buildings, we encourage an optimal depth, maximum 6 feet. On average, 5.5 feet, maximum 6 feet. That is what we encourage. So that's it. So that's what you have in this pool, because for safety reasons. Okay. So this is a very nice, beautiful pool. That waterfall, there's marble on top. It's very nice, very, very beautiful. So there are some other finishings and covering we're going to do, but you can see the beauty of it all and everything. So this is the surface. You can put your drinks here, relax and all that. So once this area becomes lively and functional, you get to see the full beauty of it all, and it's very amazing, very beautiful. So this is a work that we did, and the duration of this work, also let me make it out. We do swimming pools very fast. We did this pool as big as it is. We did it in 5 weeks. 5 weeks? Yeah, 5 weeks. 5 or 6. No, 6 weeks. Let me just say 6 weeks because of the other final delays with their pumping system. So 6 weeks we were done with this work. So swimming pool work is not something that we say, oh, we're doing long. No. We do it in 6 weeks. This for a small size pool. For a big size pool. If it were a bit smaller, it would have been faster for us. Okay, good. The engine room is back over there. Would you like to see the engine room?
We'll go see the engine room. So you said there here might be the deeper side.
Yes.
There, that entrance not too much deep. Yeah. Like this deeper, like how many feet?
This deep side is 5.5 feet.
Okay, 5.5 feet. What about the beginning?
The beginning side is about 3 feet. Okay. Yeah, 3 feet. The beginning side is 3 feet. Yes.
That is 3 feet.
Yes.
And the children's
side is 2.5 feet.
Okay, 2.5 feet.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the.
Okay, let's briefly see the engine room.
The engine room.
Okay, so and then I know it's a bit noisy over there because of the gen, but you just briefly see what we have there. So remember, when we're doing a pool, all the plumbing system, we have to take the engine room a bit far away from the main event area. Okay, so all the plumbings are connected over here. So we still have some finishing work to do here in the event, in the plumbing room. So this is okay. Where that be the engine room? This is the engine room. Okay. So because of the way we still have some cleaning up work to do here. Okay, cleaning up to do. So the pumping machine, that's a 3 horsepower pumping machine. This one? Yeah, that's a 3 horsepower pumping machine. Yeah. Okay, so this is the system, and we always train our staff. By the time we are done with the work, we always train the client on how to use this system. Okay. Sir, what is this one? That's the filter drum. Okay, the filter drum. Tell us what they do. Okay, let our audience know. Okay, so this is the filter drum. This drum is what called, it filters the water. The swimming pool water is rotating. Okay, it is rotating and it is purifying itself. Okay, so normally under normal operation, that water will not be cloudy. Okay, it will be very clear. But right now we are doing it. We set it for recirculation. Normally it will be in filter position, but this is the filter drum and this is the pumping machine. Okay, now I'm the pumping machine. This is the pumping machine. Okay. Gently, yeah. Because of the rain. So this is the pumping machine, a 3 horsepower pumping machine. All of these connections, there are many valves here, many valves. So over time, we will then train the client on how to use it. So when we build a pool, we don't just build a pool and go away. We build a pool, we will help you for at least 3 to 4 months. We will be coming to check it and make sure everything is well. We will train your people how to use it. We will write names on all of them and say this is how to use it. Okay? So that's how we do. So this is the engine room. This is the engine room. Yeah, that's it. Wow. So many people are there that just before we do here, the engine room like one show us. So now from there, now water they come inside this swimming pool. Yeah, now from the beginning, if they enter, yes, then at the main deeper. Now here deep well. So if they enter, I don't know what come where deep, you go the bath that side. So now make a crater down like this. That's the water. Okay, it's okay. Because I touched the wire. Okay, touch the wire. That's the water flow. You might have to continue. Let's. Okay, this side. Yep. So, okay, you don't take me enter. We'll go see the engine room. Yeah. And then I the water they come here. Yeah. Like this very much, so we don't go get leakage. You know, so they get leakage. No. That's why we always tell people that swimming pool you have to give a professional that knows how to do it. Swimming pool is not just carry and put water in the ground, dig ground. No. It's not just like that. There's a very deep process to it. Okay. It's not that simple. You don't give bricklayers swimming pool. You don't give everybody have the area where they specialize. This is something I've studied and done for years in different states, Lagos, Benin, Abuja. I've built pools all over places. So swimming pool is a very delicate system. So we know how we do it and we handle it carefully and well. Okay. So that's it. So when we did that engine just now, you touched something. That's why yes. That's why. Stop. So that's it. So some of those connections are not permanent yet. You know, the buildings have not been inhabited. So some of the switches and other things are not permanent yet. So we'll permanent them, and that will be all. Yes. Okay, what's your name? I am engineer Solomon Ohonsi. We could talk to you so many now, sir. So how the person contact you, okay? Okay, the client contacted us through Edo Talk Show platform. He saw one of our other pool project that we did, the one for Rupert Estate, and then he contacted us. What you would like to tell the person? I would like to tell the client, God bless you, sir. God bless you and your family. You have been very good to me. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. He actually believed in us. He didn't give us stress. Him and his people, and they were all very supportive. I pray that God blesses you. This is your hotel. You will build more and bigger ones than this in Jesus' name. Amen. You see, tell us that is the month we're taking to do this work here. Okay, yes, like I said, this work took us 6 weeks. Okay, 6 weeks. Yes, very sharp. Like week 1, you do things like digging, excavation, and then the groundwork. Week 2, you do some setting. Then week 3, casting. The casting is it's a very tough, it's the critical part. You mentioned about leakage. Yeah. You mentioned about leakage. Let me also mention this. That is one of the most critical parts when it comes to a concrete pool. A concrete pool has to be cast in a day. That is our target. You don't cast a pool. In the old days, they will cast the ground first, and then before you now go and do the wall. No. As big as this pool is, we did the casting one day. One day. We started in the morning, but closed late at night. But that's the way to cast a pool. So you don't have any edges. You don't have or we call it the word homogeneous. Okay, when you do a casting today and come back tomorrow, the one that you casted yesterday would have dried up. It will not be a separate material, but when you do the casting continuously, it is one homogeneous material. That is what prevents leakages primarily. Plus the iron work, the metal frames, and all that. And so that's it. Thank you.
Like how much cost you know to do this?
The total cost of this project is 15 million naira.
Okay, 15 million.
Yes, 15 million naira. Materials plus labor plus everything. Sand, granite, iron rods, everything.
Cement,
yes, cement
inside.
Yeah, it is simple, complete. Do this project, complete, hand over to us. And remember, after the part of our projects deal, we don't, like I told you them in the engine room, maybe they know it didn't allow you here. When we don't just do a project, you can't just do a pool and just go like that. Okay, you have to be at least for the first 3 to 4 months, you're going to be there to make sure, you have to be coming to be making sure that the system is working well. You have trained the people. Okay, for example, this pool now, although it's not functional, when it's going to become functional, we will still come back again and train the actual staff that are going to be using the system. The swimming pool system is very delicate. Okay, but this is something we do pool construction, maintenance. We've been doing it for years and we're good at it. Thank you.
A phone number.
My phone numbers are 080-600-38853.
Another number?
The other number is 080-7360-2493.
My people, I greet some to watch this video.